B-21 Raider is the newest long-range stealth bomber developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force, a revolutionary step in America's airborne strike capabilities. Designed as part of the Long-Range Strike Bomber program, the B-21 is a sixth-generation aircraft that represents decades of technological innovation, strategic foresight, and military engineering. It's built to replace the aging B-1B Lancer and B-2 Spirit bombers, bringing an unmatched combination of stealth, range, payload, and survivability. What makes the B-21 so significant isn't just its ability to fly undetected across vast distances, but its digital-first architecture, its seamless integration into next-generation command networks, and its flexible design to accommodate the evolving face of global warfare. The B-21 was officially unveiled to the public in December 2022, a rare moment that showcased the Air Force's most advanced warplane to date. Though much about the Raider remains classified, defense experts agree that it is the most survivable strike aircraft ever built. It's designed to penetrate the world's toughest air defense systems and strike high-value targets with both nuclear and conventional weapons. From its inception, the B-21 was built with open system architecture, allowing future upgrades to sensors, weapons, and software without requiring major structural redesigns. That flexibility ensures the Raider can stay relevant and lethal for decades to come. Unlike older bombers that were upgraded over time, the B-21 was engineered using digital design tools, simulations, and modular systems from day one. This digital engineering approach allows faster testing, more precise manufacturing, and easier maintenance. Ground crews can use predictive maintenance systems to identify and resolve issues before they become failures. That means less downtime, lower lifecycle costs, and higher operational readiness. It is estimated to be significantly more affordable than the B-2, with each unit projected to cost around $700 million, compared to over $2 billion for each B-2 Spirit. The Air Force plans to procure at least 100 B-21 Raiders, but that number could grow based on strategic needs and budget allocations. The B-21's stealth capability is second to none. Every angle, curve, and material on the aircraft is designed to minimize its radar cross-section. The engine inlets are buried within the fuselage and covered to hide heat signatures, while the exhausts are designed to dissipate infrared energy and reduce detection from above and below. The aircraft is also coated with radar-absorbent material that is easier to maintain than the B-2's high-maintenance skin. The result is a bomber that is incredibly difficult to track, even with modern radar systems developed by advanced adversaries like China and Russia. The B-21 is engineered to strike first and vanish before an enemy can respond. It is expected to carry a mix of conventional and nuclear payloads. While exact loadouts are classified, analysts believe the B-21 can carry long-range standoff weapons, direct attack precision bombs, and potentially future hypersonic missiles. The internal weapons bay is designed to house a wide array of munitions, allowing the aircraft to adapt quickly to different mission profiles. Its nuclear role ensures the B-21 remains a critical leg of the United States nuclear triad, able to serve as a second strike platform in the event of a major global conflict. But it's not just a deterrent. Its conventional mission is just as vital. In conventional war, the B-21 can strike hardened bunkers, command centers, missile silos, and naval assets deep within contested regions without requiring fighter escort or support. The Raider is also designed to work in a highly connected digital battlespace. It will operate alongside satellites, drones, surveillance aircraft, and ground forces, sharing data and executing joint missions through secure networks. In future combat environments, this kind of interoperability will be essential. The B-21 can receive real-time intelligence, adjust its flight path on the fly, and coordinate strikes with other assets. It can also potentially serve as a command and control node for unmanned systems, operating drone swarms or directing strike packages as part of a broader tactical operation. This level of integration gives the B-21 capabilities far beyond a traditional bomber. Its ability to operate in denied or degraded environments is another advantage. In situations where GPS is jammed or communications are interrupted, the B-21 is designed to continue flying, navigating, and executing missions autonomously. That includes onboard AI-assisted mission systems that help the crew make decisions quickly under high-stress conditions. The cockpit is reportedly outfitted with advanced displays, threat tracking systems, and mission automation that lighten pilot workload and improve mission performance. The crew itself will likely be just 2 people, similar to the B-2, relying on advanced systems to manage the rest. The aircraft's long-range performance is supported by the possibility of in-flight refueling, enabling global strike capability. Although stealth tankers are still under development, the B-21 is designed with the flexibility to operate in conjunction with existing aerial refueling assets until a stealth-compatible option becomes available. Its size and weight remain classified, but based on available imagery and scale estimates, it appears smaller and lighter than the B-2, which helps reduce operating costs and improves deployability to forward bases around the world. From a strategic standpoint, the B-21 is built not just to counter current threats, but to outpace future ones. In a world of rapidly advancing missile defense systems, drone warfare, and space-based surveillance, the Raider is designed to remain undetectable and unpredictable. Its introduction shifts the global military balance, giving the United States the ability to conduct precision strikes at will, anywhere on Earth. The Raider embodies the Pentagon's shift toward great power competition, with near-peer adversaries like China and Russia in mind. It provides the United States with a strategic hedge against rising threats, ensuring air dominance through the middle of the 21st century. The B-21 is currently undergoing flight testing, and it's expected to become operational by the late 2020s. As testing progresses, more details about its sensors, electronic warfare capabilities, and performance metrics will come to light. However, even in its current form, the B-21 represents a milestone in military aviation. It's a symbol of American innovation, a tool of overwhelming force, and a guardian of global stability. Built in secret, shaped by the lessons of decades of warfare, and prepared for missions no other aircraft can undertake, the B-21 Raider is the future of American airpower. It does not roar, it whispers through the sky. It is unseen, unstoppable, and unmatched. The moment it enters the battlefield,